Hey there, everybody. This is Troy Trelevin from Make Sales Faster. And before I forget, please subscribe and like this video. I've got something amazing for you today. It's called Forget About Broke, and it's by a couple of crazy guys that you're going to see as you go through this. And this is a really unique method. In fact, it's pretty top secret, and it only involves your phone. So you're going to be able to make payments of $171 by the hour just using your phone. So you won't need your computer, you won't need anything with this. So it's a really cool system. I want to tell you as much as I know about it and then encourage you to go through and check this out. So forget about broke. And this came up because the creators were frustrated with people saying how they're struggling, how they're broke, and they came up with a very unique method that you're going to like. So you're able to get anywhere from $61 to $174 payments all day, every day, using this phone and using skills that you have that people really want to use. And so to get this, and I'm going to tell you about my bonuses, in the description, in the YouTube, below this YouTube video, in the description area, you're going to see bonus crate and some letters and numbers. That's where you click through to get to this page you're looking at. You'll see Troy's terrific bonus bundle here. You're going to get all my bonuses. I got tons of bonuses for you today. And you're able to click it, click this up here, or any of these green buttons, green and black buttons, just click them, and you'll go through to the sales page that looks like this, right? And so it looks pretty similar. I want you to check out the video by Jamie here. He's crazy, but he really knows his stuff. He's been in the internet marketing business since 2011. Really knows his stuff, so you're going to want to check out what he's got. I'm going to tell you about my bonuses and then tell you what I know about this program and encourage you to get it. And stick around with me because I have another $2 off that you're going to be able to get from me. So you're going to be able to get all what I'm going to talk about in just a moment. Again, you click the link underneath this video, bonus crate and some letters and numbers. You'll go through, you'll get this page, then you'll go through to the page I just showed you. Watch Jamie, watch his video, buy there, okay? So let's look at this, the bonuses. Bonus number one, I got a bunch here. How to siphon traffic from other sites without lists. So in addition to everything they teach you in Forget About Broke, this is another method that's going to allow you to get traffic without having to have an email list. So you're going to get traffic from the biggies like Facebook and Twitter and Reddit and TikTok and all those. So that's this bonus. It's worth $427. The whole course unto itself. There you go, for free. By the way, to get Forget About Broke, the first level is $12.47, and I have a coupon code for you so you can get an even further discount. Okay, so that was bonus number one. Comes for 12. This price we just talked about here, $12.47. So that's free. This is free. How to explode your YouTube channel. How do you get people to come to your channel and subscribe to it? I'm throwing this in. It's normally $46.95, absolutely free. It's actually valued at $197, but we're getting it for you for free. How to get 90% off your AdWords spend for Bing or AdWords. So the really cool hack, you're going to love this. It's like I'm giving you free money here. If you're going to use paid ads, which I will encourage you to do for certain things, this is going to save you 90%. Next, is Bang Bang Profits. This is a very cool list building system. You're going to want to check this out. And that's another $267 bonus, absolutely free for $12.95. Bing ads. We have some Bing ads training for you. So we've given you some money off. We're going to show you how to create Bing ads that are really inexpensive and get you lots and lots of traffic that will buy your stuff. So you're going to like that. And another bonus is Lazy Profit Explosion. This is a YouTube's ads masterclass. So how to use ads to drive traffic. Well, you're going to love all of these traffic methods in combination with Forget About Broke. All right. So when you click the link underneath this video, you're going to come to this page you're looking at. After you check it out, click this green and black button. You'll go through to the sales page. You'll get a chance to see this page, watch Jamie's video, then click here to finally buy. And when you do, you're going to get your final receipt come up. And your final receipt from Warrior Plus is going to look like this. So when you check your email after you've purchased for Warrior Plus, the green button gets you the product, Forget About Broke. The blue button gets you all these bonuses I've just mentioned. So people sometimes ask, where are my bonuses? They're already here. So you're going to want to get this from me. You're going to find this so valuable. It's going to help you so much, and only for $12.95 at the front end. Now, there are some upsells. I'm going to tell you about those. These are other benefits you can get, but let's just look at this thing. So in 3 steps, you're going to get your copy. And again, you get it on the next page, but by clicking through here, this page you're looking at, you'll apply. So it involves publishing a profile onto a marketplace, and then with certain skills that you have, and then you can start taking payments. And we're talking payments of $61, $174 every hour, because people want to pay you for the particular services that you have, and they'll pay in advance, which is really cool. And Jamie's going to show you how to do that. So it's brand new system. Free built-in traffic goes with this. The tutorials are included. Instant payments go right to your phone, right to your PayPal or whatever it is. One system to answer all your challenges. You don't need any tech skills. Don't have to struggle. You don't have to make web pages and all that kind of stuff. So level 1, the front end, you get it for $12.97. Now, I want to show you my bonus. If you use this code, and maybe you want to write this down, FB2OFF, Forget About Broke 2 off, you'll get $2 further off of that. So that'll be $10.47. Now, upsell number 1 is a done for you version. So if you don't want to do anything, grab this one, little hack here, decline the first opportunity, and you can get it for $19. Okay. Upsell number 2, traffic on tap. This is a traffic jacker. You just input your link and you're going to get traffic from expired domains that Jamie and Johnny already have, and their YouTube channels and everything. So you can hack all that. And these guys have been in the business a while. They got lots of movement going on. It's a $29 upsell, $19 if you decline the first offer. Partnering with Jamie for $59, you can get onto a weekly coaching call with him. Again, he's been doing this since 2011. He will help you step by step succeed at this. So if you want the bonus help, normally you'd pay hundreds of dollars for coaching. For $59 or the $49 downsell, you're going to get access to his class on a weekly basis. I would take it just for the hanging out with this guy. He's weird, but he knows what he's doing. Very successful. Ultimate download. So this is the ultimate business in a box. You're going to take the advertising campaigns and the keywords. Everything's here. The videos, everything. $97 or $67. This would normally cost you in the hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get the same thing. So and they'll explain how it all works when you get into the system. Then there's an unlimited autoresponder. Autoresponders aren't usually unlimited, and they're certainly not $27. What they're throwing in here is 6,000 swipes. Those are swipes. Those are email files. So one way to keep marketing to your customers, even if they didn't buy the first time, is you need an autoresponder. So that's included for $27 or $17 if you get the downsell, plus 6,000 pre-made emails. You don't have to go about creating them. You just cut and paste, cut and paste. You get all these emails running through the autoresponder to your customers that are coming through, and you're doing great. Next is the marketplace. So you can post on their marketplace. If you choose this next upsell, this is number 6, $39 or $27. And then the last upsell is the vendor edition. So you'll get the resale rights of 5 of Jamie's most high converting funnels. This is like programs he's already created. He's giving you 100% of the profits if you want to go for this last upsell. So $37 when you go for it. And you'll never get this anywhere else. This is just a one-time offer. So for all of this, if this is what you see is real valuable to you, by the way, you've got 30 days to change your mind. So there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Check this out. Use the Facebook code. Use this code to get $2 more off. So for $10, $11, you're going to be getting all of my bonuses and the front end of this. And then everything else, if you choose it, you can decline it if you want. And you can get what you want when you want it. So, folks, that's it. Check out Forget About Broke. And if you have any questions or comments, just put them underneath this video in the comments area, and I'll do my best to respond to them. And also, please like and subscribe, and can't wait to work with you on the other side of this. All the best.